Start on the Expenses screen. If you have no expenses yet, tap the plus button in the bottom right corner. From the menu, choose Smart Scan. This allows you to create a new expense automatically from a receipt. Position the receipt clearly inside the camera view. Make sure the document is readable and well lit. Take a photo of the receipt and confirm the scan. The app reads the receipt and automatically creates a new expense. It fills in key details, such as the title, amount, currency, date, category, and payment method. Review the extracted information carefully. You can edit any field if something needs to be corrected. In this example, the title is adjusted to match the receipt. You can also check the category and payment method before saving. The original receipt is attached to the expense, so the record stays complete and easy to verify later. When everything looks correct, tap Save. The expense is now added to your list, with the receipt details saved and ready for review or approval.